So this is how you can connect Spotify to your Discord. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your personal profile over here. Now this also works for PC. You just have to, follow it like you would open up a Discord on PC. It's the same buttons, but they'll be in different places, so you'll have to, improvise. But yeah, you're just gonna have to look for the settings app. And also, if you want to do this, once you connect your Spotify and your Discord, it's going to show people what you're listening to. And maybe, yeah, that's your goal. If you've seen those accounts with their Spotify playing while they're actually playing it, like on their Discord profile, that's what it does. That's what connecting your Spotify and Discord does. So here's what you gotta do. You're gonna want to tap on connections once you find it in these settings, and here we are. It's actually quite easy. As you can see, the Spotify logo is right there. So you're gonna want to tap on it, and it's going to connect it to your Discord account. Now, if it doesn't work like what you're seeing here, you're gonna want to tap on add, and then tap on Spotify. And now it's going to ask you to, type in your Spotify account and have you connect it by, I think, verifying in the email. Or maybe you don't have to verify at all. Maybe you just have to log in Spotify using Discord and you're good to go. Your Spotify has now been connected. Now, if you want to connect these other, apps, you could do that as well. Like for example, if you connect your, let's say, Xbox account, it's going to show you or show the people around you, like your friends, it's going to show them in your profile what you are playing on Xbox right now. Or if you, connect with Steam, it's going to show them what game you're playing on Steam, or when you're playing League of Legends or Valorant when you connect Riot Games. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That is what these connections are for. It basically updates your profile if you are using the connections. So here is all the list of the connections, if you want to see them right there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That is how you can connect anything, especially Spotify, into your Discord account. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.